Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Kajbiye. Today I will tell you about the tissues. The tissue is a group of cells that have similar structure and function as a unit. There are four types of tissues: epithelial, muscular, nervous, and connective tissue. The tissue may be the same type or the maybe in a multiple type cell for the tissue. They are in either case the cells in the tissues work together to carry out a specific function, and they are always specialized to be able to carry out that functions better than may other types of tissues. There are four main types of human tissues: connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, and a nervous tissue. Uh, we use tissue build organs and organ system. The 200 types of cells that the body can produce based on our single set the DNA can create all the types of tissues in the body. The function of the epithelial tissue is the epithelial tissue is a protect outer layer form. The epithelial tissue is made up of cells that line inner and outer body surface, such as the skin and inner surface of the digestive tract. And epithelial tissue that lines inner body surface and body opening is called mucous membrane. And this type of epithelial tissue produce mucus, then subject to that coats a mucous membrane and traps pathogens, particles, and debris. Then epithelial tissue protects the body and its internal organs. Then secretes substances such as hormones, and in addition to the mucus, and absorb substances such as the nutrients. The key identify future of epithelial tissue is that contain free surface and basement membrane. The free surface is not attached to any other cell and either open of the outside of the body or in a open to the inside of the hollow organs of the body tube. The basement membrane, the epithelial tissue to underlining cell. The then the cells and locations and then functions. The simple squamous epithelium, then air sac of lungs and the lining of the heart, blood vessels, and lymphatic vessels. And their function is the allows the material to pass through by diffusion and filtration and secrete lubricant substances. And simple cuboidal epithelium is inner duct and secretly portions of small glands and inner kidney tubes. Then Then connective tissue. The connective tissue is their function is the energy storage. Then connective tissue is a bone and blood are example connective tissues. Their connective tissue is a very diverse in a general, and the connective tissue is a support structure of the body tissues and their organs. It made up of living cells separated by non-living materials that are called extracellular matrix, and when can be solid or liquid. The extracellular matrix is of a bone. For example, in a framework, the extracellular matrix of a blood is a liquid plasma, and the key identify the future of the connective tissue is that is composed of scattering of the cells in a non-cellular matrix. There are three main categories of the connective tissue based on the nature of the matrix. They look very difficult from on another, which is a reflection of their different functions. That are the fibrous connective tissues. First of the fibrous connective tissue. The fibrous connective tissue is characterized by the matrix, which is flexible and is made up of protein fibers, and including possibly reticular fibers. The tissues are found making up the tendon, then and the connective tissue, as name implies, blind cells and organs of the body together, and functions in the protection of supports and integration of all parts of the body. Then muscle tissue is a excitable responding of stimulation and contracting to provide movement, and occurs as their major types. Skeletal is the voluntary, and muscles, smooth muscles, and cardiac muscle in the heart. Then the nervous tissue is it is also excitable, allowing the propagation of electrochemical signals in the form of a nerve impulse that communicate between the different regions of the body. And the next level of organization in the organ, where several types of tissues come together to form a working unit. Just as knowing the structure and function of the cells help you in your study of the tissues, knowledge of the tissues with the help of understanding. And the epithelial and connective tissues are discussed in detail in there are 4 types of tissues in the body. In the 4 types of tissue is in the nervous tissue, stratified squamous, epithelial tissue, cardiac muscular tissue, and a connective tissue in a small intestine. Then the embryonic origin of the tissues, that is formed by the fusion of an egg and sperm. Then after fertilized in a zygote, gives rise or a rapid mitotic cycle, then generating many cells form the embryo. And the first embryonic cell is generated have the ability to the differentiate into any type of cells of the body, such as are called the totipotent. Then meaning each has the capacity to divide, then differentiate and develops into new organisms as a cell, then proliferations and progress. Three major cells they are established within the embryo, as explained in a later chapter. Then the tissue membrane. Tissue membrane is a thin layer of sheets of the cells that covers the outsides of the body. For example, skin, and the organ, for example, pericardium. Then internal passageways that lead to the exterior of the body, for example, abdominal, mesenterius, and the living of the movable joint cavities. There are two basic types of tissues membrane, that are the connective tissue and epithelial tissue. The tissues membrane is a two broad categories of tissues membrane in the body are connective tissue membrane, and which include a synovial membrane, and epithelial membranes, which include mucous membranes and serous membrane. And the membrane is, in other words, in a skin. And connective tissue membrane is formed solely from connective tissues. These membranes organs such as the kidney,